Hi everyone, my name is Naomi Camila Valdez Mariona, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a chamomile tea. Gastronomic culture encompasses the making of the teas. They have medicinal properties. Such is the case of chamomile tea made with the leaves of the plant was benefits range from calming to flu symptoms, reducing stomach discomfort and expectorant, and calming anxiety and stress. It is also an antioxidant and complements diets. To lose weight, there are many attributes of the plant, and its flower is worth tasting, and it's possible to have a plant at home as they are easy to plant and maintain. The ingredients for chamomile tea recipe are chamomile leaves, 1 cup of boiling water. Step 1. Boil a cup of water over medium heat for about 4 minutes. Step 2. Put the water in a cup and add the chamomile leaves to the boiling water. Step 3. Strain and drink. Another choice is to prepare the tea from the bags sold in supermarkets. Thanks for watching.